5 rules every successful investor sticks to. Don't be overly emotional. The most effective investment decisions are made using a calm understanding of your chosen investment strategy. Dealing with the up and down of any investment is essential. No taking the results right or wrong personally will allow you to cut losses fast rather than holding on hoping for the results you wished for. Fear and greed is the enemy of any successful trader and needs to be mastered by a more logical, systematic resolve. Starting and sticking to a plan. Trading will never consistently go according to the strategy. Getting into a setting without a plan is a recipe for catastrophe. Focus and consistency. Never gamble with your money. Instead, use proper money management. This allows you to stay in the market versus investing a large portion of your account in a high-risk, high-reward play and losing it all. To generate dependable, long-lasting returns, buy when you have an opportunity to get a good stock at a good price and never chase hot-running stocks. Instead, dollar cost average into and out of trades by buying stocks you like when they dip and selling a percentage of your stock you wish to take profit from. Be extremely disciplined. Whether you have a long-term investing plan for retired life or a temporary day trading plan to pay the bills, you need to adhere to the strategy unless you have a great reason not to. There are a lot of different trading strategies that work. However, leaping from one technique to another is not the way to win. When possible, hold your investments for the long term. Day trading and trading too much has a negative effect on your account. Another thing to keep in mind is you don't lose the amount you're down until you sell and accept the loss. Many seasoned investors have held a stock until it went into profit and even gained much more traction because they did not sell in desperation or fear. Hopefully, along your journey, you benefit from these simple rules to success in the stock market. If you know anyone who can benefit from this insight, don't forget to like and share.